Glimpses of Modern Science, Class 6. Chapter 18. Waste. Waste and its types. Waste is the material which is generally discarded or thrown away by human beings. In other words, waste is the useless and unwanted material. Wastes can be classified into three different categories. 1. Liquid waste. 2. Gaseous waste. 3. Solid waste. 1. Biodegradable waste. 2. Non-biodegradable waste. 1. Liquid wastes. Homes, industries and agricultural activities produce lot of sewage. Lots of useless chemical fertilizers and domestic sewage drain off into rivers. These types of wastes are examples of liquid wastes. 2. Gaseous wastes. Smokes coming out of moving vehicles and from the chimneys of many industries are examples of gaseous wastes. 3. Solid wastes. Every home produces vast quantities of vegetable and fruit peels, tin cans, packages, waste papers, glass and wrappers of the food items as wastes. These are examples of solid wastes. Solid wastes are also produced in markets, commercial places, industries and in agriculture. Solid wastes are of two types. 1. Biodegradable waste. 2. Non-biodegradable waste. 1. Biodegradable waste. A waste that can break down into simple substances and mix with the raw materials of nature and disappear into the environment is called a biodegradable waste. Paper, wheat, biogas, cattle dung, leather, vegetable wastes, rice husk, domestic wastes, tea leaves, wool, silk etc. are examples of biodegradable wastes. 2. Non-biodegradable waste. A waste which cannot be broken down into non-toxic substances by the action of microorganisms is called non-biodegradable waste. Waste plastics, DDT, glass bottle, aluminium foil, pesticides, etc. are non-biodegradable wastes. Methods of disposal wastes. Waste can be managed using methods like landfills and composting. Landfills are deep pits located away from cities where mainly biodegradable waste is disposed of. They cause less environmental damage, but non-biodegradable waste takes a long time to decompose. Composting is a natural process where biodegradable waste like leaves, grass, and food is decomposed by microbes to form manure. Vermicomposting uses earthworms, especially red worms, to speed up decomposition and produce nutrient-rich compost useful for soil enrichment. Steps for reducing the amount of wastes. Waste can be reduced through the 3 rupees: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing waste means using fewer disposable items, avoiding plastic bags, and carrying cloth or jute bags. Reuse involves repairing and using items again instead of discarding them. Recycling converts waste into useful products, saving resources and space. Biodegradable waste like cattle dung produces gobar gas, while vegetable and domestic waste make compost. Paper recycling reduces tree cutting, though quality is lower. Non-biodegradable waste like glass and plastic can also be recycled, helping prevent pollution, saving energy, and reducing harmful effects on the environment. Action points to reduce waste. 1. Say no to plastic bags as far as possible. 2. Store the 2 kinds of wastes in different containers and throw it in respective bins. For example, kitchen garbage should be separated from non-biodegradable waste. 3. Use the service of your Kabatawala, newspapers, bottles and other such recyclable items. 4. Dig a compost pit in your garden or open space and put all the biodegradable waste into it. 5. Use both sides of the paper and prepare rough letter pad out of waste paper. 6. Use washable table napkins instead of paper napkins.